some apparently everyone in my house is tired, and it's up to me to make some supper. So I decided to make some ugali. Oh, let's make some ugali. It's cooking, it's still cooking. Some ugali, yeah, and then some ugali, and then some steak. It's marinated. It's marinated, so I'm waiting for it to absorb the spices and everything. And then from there, I'm going to make them some fried beef. It's the festive season, and I want the meal to feel festive. And in African homes, a meal is not festive without meat. And in this case, I made sure there is plenty of meat. So some marinated beef. Some steak and some fried beef. Yeah, at least to do a good thing for my family. Yeah. They won't need it.